Hello student, welcome to my YouTube channel Alchemy of Maths. Now today we are going to discuss about FY BCom Mathematics for University of Mumbai. We start with the statistical parts. It is called measures of central tendency. Measures of central tendency. In measures of central tendency, we start with mean. That is called arithmetic mean. Then two formulae. What is the first one? First is for ungrouped data. The mean for ungrouped data. How to find mean for ungrouped data? See here. What is mean by ungrouped data? Pay attention here. If x1, x2, x3 up to xn be n number of observations, right? Be n number of observations, then what arithmetic mean is given by x bar is equal to, would we write x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus up to xn whole divided by n. This can be written as x bar is equal to summation x upon n. What is meant by n? N is nothing but your number of observation. Pay attention here, student. If x1, x2, x3 up to xn be n number of observation, then arithmetic mean is given by x bar is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus up to xn divided by n. This is nothing but your arithmetic mean for ungrouped data. Now for group data, how to calculate for group data? See here, the mean for group data. What is the group data? Pay attention here. If x1, x2, x3 up to xn be n number of observations with frequency f1, f2, f3 up to fn, then what is arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean is equal to f1 x1 plus f2 x2 plus f3 x3 plus up to fn xn whole divided by what? f1 plus f2 plus f3 plus up to fn. Therefore would we write x bar is equal to summation fx upon n. This is for mean for group data. Now see here, what is ungrouped data? Summation x is equal to x bar is equal to summation x upon n. And what is for group data? It is x bar is equal to summation fx upon n. What is the difference? Difference is frequency. Okay. Now this is group and ungrouped data. Now third type of mean is nothing but your combined mean. How to find combined mean? See here, this is nothing but your group 1, this is group 2. Now group 1 with observation n1, group 2 with observation n2. x1 bar is a mean for first group, x2 bar is a mean for second group. Therefore combined mean is given by x bar is equal to n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar divided by n1 plus n2. Is it clear? What is combined mean? Combined mean is n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar divided by n1 plus n2. What is extended form? So as a group 1, group 2 and group 3. Three groups are there with number of observation n1, n2, n3. Here it is x1 bar is a mean for first group, x2 bar is a mean for second group, x3 bar is a mean for third group. Therefore combined mean given by x bar is equal to n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar plus n3 x3 bar divided by n1 plus n2 plus n3. This is nothing but your combined mean for three groups. Okay. See here student, first x bar is equal to summation fx upon n. Second, x bar is equal to summation fx upon n, and third one is x bar is equal to n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar upon n1 plus n2, and for three groups it is nothing but your x bar is equal to n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar plus n3 x3 bar divided by n1 plus n2 plus n3. Is it clear? This is nothing but your mean for given data. Now we discuss some example based on this. What is example? Find arithmetic mean for following data. What is data? Pay attention here. First is 125, 132, 127, 139, 140, 142, 137, 122, 120 and 130. Is it clear? This is nothing but your x1, x2, x3 discrete variables. This is nothing but your ungrouped data. First variable is 125, second 132, 127, 139, 140, 142, 137, 122, 120 and 130. Then how to find arithmetic mean? X bar is equal to summation x upon n. Summation x upon n. What is meant by summation x? We have to take total of all. 125 plus 132 plus 127 plus 139 plus 140 plus 142 plus 137 plus 122 plus 120 plus 130. Remember this thing. The summation of all observation. How many observations are there? Here first is 125 plus 132 plus 127 plus 139 plus 140 plus 142 plus 137 plus 122 plus 120 plus 130. Total number of observations are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 divided by 10. Total number of observations are 10. After that, we have to find out. What do we find? Total. How to find total? Pay attention here. It is 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 9, 23. 23 plus 2, 25. 25 plus 2, 5 plus 7, 25 plus 7, 32. 32 plus 2, 32 plus 2, 34. Means 4 carry. Remember this thing. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 9, 23. 23 plus 2, 25. 25 plus 7, 32. 32 plus 2, 34. Plus 0, 34. Plus 0, 34. Therefore 3 carry. Then 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 4, 18. 18 plus 3, 21. 21 plus 2, 23. 23 plus 2, 24. 24 plus 3, 27. 27 plus 3, 30. Pay attention once again. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 14. 18. After 18 it is 21. 21, 23. 23 plus 2, 23 plus 2, 25. Plus 3, 28. 28 plus 3, 31. 3 carry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 3, 10 plus 3, 13. 10 plus 3, 13. Means we get 1314 divided by 10. Therefore, x bar is equal to 131.4. This is arithmetic mean for given data. Pay attention here. How to solve? It is very simple. How to solve such type of example? Pay attention here. But we have to add those. Add these 10 observations. After adding this 10 observations, we get a total 1314 divided by number of observation, means summation x upon n. Summation x is 1314 divided by 10. Therefore, x bar is 131.4. 131.4. Student, this is simple techniques to find mean for given data. Now we discuss one more example as a find arithmetic mean. Find arithmetic mean for following data. For following data. Is it clear? What is data? It is 1357, comma, it is 1454, comma, it is 1389, comma, it is 1405, comma, it is 1485. Pay attention here. What is the observation? 1357, 1454, 1389, 1405, 1485. Then what is the formula? X bar is equal to summation x upon n. What is summation x? We have to take total of this. It is 1357 plus 1454 plus 1389 plus 1405 plus 1485. What is total number of observations are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 observations are there. Then you have to add those. How to add? One can use calculator. With the help of calculator, one can easily find this total. How to find this total? First number is 1357 plus 1454 plus 1389 plus 1405 plus 1485. This gives us 7090. Use calculator and find out. And then it is divided by 5. Our answer is, after dividing by 5, means what? 7090 divided by 5. We get 1418. That is, mean of given data is 1418. This is nothing but your ungrouped data. Now student, pay attention here. It is very simple technique to find this, what we say, means. Now student, pay attention here. If you like this video, then like it, share it, and also subscribe for next in upcoming videos, what we say, regarding to mathematics and statistics. Is it clear? I have to stop here. Thank you.